talk about society, this is the dregs. Fuck you, man, you've got legs. And I come with the nice gats. You're more white and middle class than I am. I introduced my hype man.
Alright, Stein lads, nice hat. No, sorry, how retarded your hat? It says bumper on the front and claw on the back. Yo, you don't ever shave. You have never shaved. And you still got all these acne scars, that's well insane.
Yeah, reprobates. I gave Eddie Vedder brain, that's terrible. I shouldn't say that in a rap battle, it's not even true. I'm steaming you. I've got an iron and I'm really angry. But I'm not lying. Help.
Here are some facts and you're not gonna believe them. You've been trying to get at his back for his keyboard to do songs about your feelings. Pedro! Your mum works in Mexico City in a donkey sex show. You know what's really cool, bro? She gets meat inside of a cooler at the end, bro. Facts.
Time. Right, Blizzard and Pedro, let's go.
Yo, I'll punch this little pussy, you'll be bleeding out your nose. Joe, the iron you got's for getting creases out your clothes. You're a faggot, Einstein, you fight crime. I fucking, bare nines pop in your head. You man are a waste juice. I blaze Zeus as I'm taking the loot. I be making a move. You can't say shit to me, I rip your jeans and then I rip your head. The living dead, I fucking split your head in 10 punches. You're nothing to me. You're so little I could bang you with a bump on my knee. I do a bump of coke and then a punch in your cheek. I've been fucking spitting rap till I'm 100 feet.
Three. And we're gonna kill these people here, man. This shit's abortion. You're like 3 foot tall, man. That beard does not look in proportion. You know me, I like to freestyle and you know I'm not a staller. You're talking about the keyboard you want to play. I wish I was a little bit taller.
Yo.
Let's go!
With a boar or a slice, yo. Yo, you bought your garms from Primark. You can't say nothing to me. I've been graphing a chain because it's a fine art. Slapping your mate away. If you come to me, I'll bang you up with a left blow. Can't say shit to me, Pedro. You're about half the size of him. I fight, I'm an Irish king. I split. I'm fucking resided in walls that you can't get out of. Yo, you fucking can never get in your trousers because they're too thin. Yo, you're not a human. You're too wimpy. Yo, you should go to New Jersey. Live there. My chin hair. I'm an ill bred. You can't even spit. Writtens.
I'm beating these guys right now, you know I don't have any doubt. You're way too eccentric, man. Someone take this Furby's batteries out. You look like David Byrne, the guy from the Talking Heads, and a Malaysian girl that died in The Walking Dead. And you know that I'm spitting it all, mate. And you know that I'm swinging them swords great. You watch Game of Thrones because you're a faggot and you heard that there was sword play. Wanker!
Yo, I'm punching your mouth, get knocked to the floor, hunting the mouse, fuck you all. Don't give a fuck, every man I get banged. Don't give a fuck, you get hanged from a lamp. I am mad, I don't even need to brag. I will go when I beat your guy. I don't pray to Jesus Christ, he prays to me, then I bang man out. I bang a man, bang a man.
Yo, you know I spit this crazy flow. I have the most amazing draw. I swear to God, it will make you grow. Time.
Round 2.
Yo,
Einstein and most prob, let's go, man.
say I got baby clothes from Primark. That was a shitty rhyme, because you got yours from the same fucking bin you live inside. Yo, let's go. Let me do this now, but it's more amazing. I'll break you down, Pedro. Just pay attention, it's all amazing. Yo. Because this whole style you do is boring basic. You do the same fucking rhyme a billion fucking times and it's all the same shit.
Yeah.
That's your flow.
And dissing most probs, not fine, especially for Game of Thrones. I don't watch it for swordplay, I watch it for intricate plot lines. And the acting's amazing though! Yeah! You're a massive knob. And you say you've got loads of views. Well, it's true, you got loads of views. But what kind of nose are you? I could fucking inhale you where you stand, you fucking failure of a man. Yeah. And fucking rap about something that isn't you for a change. I battled you twice and you still haven't even tried using my name.
Because you spit dumb rhymes without using your brain. Shit. I don't know where I'm going with that. Doesn't matter because everything you're flowing is whack. This is like 2007 shit there. Blizzard, you said that I wished I was taller. you wish you were older. And oh, fucking hell. Sorry, bro.
You can't get near me. I just saved Einstein like relativity theory. And that is some intellectual shit right there, because I referenced something someone wrote once. You've got a broke mum and you're not even the same size as my nose, bro. Go away. Just go.
Time.
Yeah.
Round 2, Blizzard Pedro, let's go, man.
Yo, he's such a wanker and he doesn't mind when he shows it. He said no one mentions his name, that's because nobody knows it.
I murdered Benson. I murked your pension. Fuck it. No one said your name because it ain't worth a mention. You're a fucking dickhead. You talked about my beard. Look at his. It's quite weird. Yo, you fucking living with a guy at your home. I'll be slicing the dome, slicing the throat with the same knife that I used to carve and write on my notes. I don't use a pen. I use a knife. I bruise your wife, leaving you euthanize suicide. I'm blue in my mind, not black. Yo, fucking having a heart attack, sparking the crack at my house, and I'm on my own, eating Toblerone through my ear. I don't give a fuck. I'm raw.
Yes! Yo, and you know I'm always rapping it intelligent. Pedro is the only guy that will get away with spitting bars that are irrelevant. And you know that I'll murk him father. What the fuck, murk him father? Long story short, he looks like Sterling Archer.
Yo, I'll be burning the marijuana all of the time. But when your wife get bored of the iron, all of the women then form a line outside of where I live because I'm raw. Yo, you might get bored of the straw. You're 4 foot tall, get bored under the floor, going on raw. Don't give a fuck, get bang in your mouth. You can never say shit in my ends. I will take you down brick by brick and I'm making amends and I'm taking offense and I don't give a fuck because I'm raw on the beat, even though the rate one. You're a fake gun, got a fake gun, but I use it to move you to. Don't give a fuck, play hula hoops and the hoop I hoop and the flame around me. Don't give a fuck, you're faking and cloudy. What are you laughing for? 4:30. That's the time you go.
Yo, you know what? I'm always flowing grime. You said 4:30, that's how you fucking know it's time.
Yeah,
and you know, honestly, man, I'm so grime. Every lyric I spit, you know that I shine, and he should be rapping Fog on the Tyne is all mine, all mine. Gaz is a wanker.
Yo, don't wanna know when I'm writing a bar with the coldest to flow, but I'm rhyming it's hot. Open the door with a knife, if I can't, I'll open your throat, then I slice your knob. Drinking your beer, I think that you're queer. Don't give a fuck, through your head of this waistman, don't give a fuck, you're a waste, you play suits, yo. You're going like that, you're sucking a cock. Don't give a fuck, I'll be mugging you off. Take a rub before hitting your chest. Yo, ligaments impressed, yeah!
You suck!
Right. Final round, MOS, PROB and Einstein. Let's go, man.
Now, here's an example of blatantly someone who is afflicted with ADHD. There's a cure, so I'm just going to bite Bowski. No one got that!
Yeah. This is like a slowdown for people who don't understand all his rhymes. In that he said, I've got a fake gun, I'll rip your jeans, and I'll bang every guy. Yeah. Listen, let me tell you something, and please never forget it. You are really aggressive. I get it.
You've got the word bomb on your hat. Oh, I can't believe that. I just rhymed hat with that. I'm bloody awesome. At least it was something to do with the people in front of me, so I'm moving forward. I'm just gonna rhyme a scheme that doesn't really have any punches in. Punch his chick, punch his chin, punch his nips, punch everything that's to do with him. Punch his chin, it's beer not gin. I don't care, I'll wipe my beard with him and then probably insult you some more. And Blizzard's a knob. I just realised you were there. Yeah, you said no one knows my name, but you wish you were in a post-rock band with a flowing mane, standing at the front of a stage, rocking some rollerblades, playing a keyboard solo, and wearing gold chains.
Yeah, okay. Blizzard knows his thing or two about handling a synth. He hangs out with his nan and then he sings Candle in the Wind. No, I swear it's not. Your head's tiny in that hat. I know. With that and your weird skin, you look like a fucking twat.
And he just noticed, so there's no way he could have pre-written that.
That was freestyle!
Freestyle, bitch. We take it to the streets, where I'm from. I rhyme lots. And you know what? Time, dog.
Yeah.
Final round, Biz and Pedro, let's go, man.
He said that I wanted to be in a rock band, never brother. This guy before said he would have sucked off Eddie Vedder, was it?
That was a mistake, I regret that.
Right, guess who I'm making an impression of? You have limbs. I don't like that. You're not sick. You just rhyme whack. You've never made a nice track. Shut up. It's my turn to spit.
Go on. Yo, you're a perverted shit. Oh, I burn a whip when I come through 80 degrees. Taking blaze of the cheese all of the time. I'm roaring my mind and amazing with freeze. Yo, I got your foundations ain't made up of a hard base. I fucking leave you with a scar face and beat these twats to death with his guitar case. Yo, buttoned up, your mum's a slipper uppercut your fucking mug, you dickhead.
Yo, he's been banned from Facebook for posting midget porn, so this guy ain't social. I can't see your talent through C major's bifocals. And fuck you for looking so much like a hobbit that's not exciting. You and Unanimous look like two hobbits fighting.
Yo, you made midget porn and your girlfriend's head is smaller than a cricket ball. You isn't raw. Yo, I shanked this dickhead with a sword and scrape off his beard inch by inch with ninja claws.
Yo, you know that I'll murk this guy anywhere, anytime, any place. You watch Breaking Bad just for Jesse's face. Faggot.
Yo, with a stake I stab through the heart of this huge giraffe. I come through and I leave you, I break through your body armor. Yo, I leave you in the Pearl Harbor laughing like a dickhead. Oh, you fucking spasticated bumper ass. Yo, I come through and look at him. He needs to cover his mouth. I'll be punching you down. You be biting the ground. How does the floor taste? Yo, you're a more waste than anyone. You should come from Norway. You look like a dude. His eyes went smaller since he took off his glasses. Your fucking mum is a half-wit giraffe kid who give birth to a fucking spastic like this large prick.
Yeah, I was meant to battle Math Huffer, but he was scared. Fuck Einstein. You're like 2 foot tall, and that's coming from me. You can't even sit in a chair, man. You don't even have that luxury, G. And your eyes are really weird looking, and that's coming from me, so I can't even tell when you're fucking looking at me. And you look like you've just shopped in Abercrombie. I don't know where this rhyme's going, but I like to freestyle, and you know that I've got nice flowing. I'll kick the ball like Mike Owen, and I'll slice this guy's throat, and then just freestyle about some random shit like you look like an anaconda.
Yeah.
Some PEDRO shit.
You look like you're coming from Ecuador. Nobody has summoned the leprechaun.
Yeah.
Why is he here? I'll be biting your ear, Mike Tyson, in the year that he was the rawest. Fuck you, you're both Mormons, boring. I fucking hit you with a forklift, lifting you up and sliced in a back blow.
You know, you're always spitting it stupid and minimal. If you act bad to me again, I hope to God you lose your provisional. mate, everything you rap is just like crazy sweet. When you go to the booth, you sit on a baby seat.
Time.
Yeah.
That's it, 3 rounds, make some noise.
Light work. It's all jokes.